like, wait a minute. That's like one of my tactics for trying to cough less.
Oh, you gotta breathe, 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 breathe. Let it go and let it be.
Good morning. There's some sunshine for your morning. We actually just ended the vlog in that room, but we haven't left yet, so I thought I'd start the vlog.
We're gonna have another emotional goodbye.
Oh man. Ollie's gonna go run outside in the yard for the last time. Do you wanna go outside and go run? Do you love this yard? We have another yard for you. It's in North Carolina and it's waiting for you. The movers who are here, they loved Ollie and it was really sweet. Okay, are you ready? Go run. Go ahead. He's been on the leash all day because the gate was open and the guys were here and the doors were open, so I just kept him on the leash and kept him with me. Light shine bright everywhere we go. Music for the people to illuminate the soul. Ollie keeps inching forward. He's buckled in, so this is as far as he can go. But he wants to sit up as high as he can with us. But he's so tired. He will like close his eyes and kind of like fall over. It's kind of cute. He's kind of cute. See that boat behind us? We're in the town where we picked it up originally, Sturbridge. That's kind of a full circle. And now on to the next home.
Which this, when we got the boat, the owner said, you've got a special boat because it came all the way from Missouri.
Well, it has a tag, or
is it Montana? Montana, yeah, it's Montana. So
but it may have been into Missouri as well.
Well, his brother was from Montana and had bought the boat, and then I guess he bought it from his brother and drove it all the way from Montana
that's crazy.
to Boston.
Insane. Wow, it is perfect. See, I told you, he wants to inch forward. Honey, that's as far as your seatbelt will let you go. I was thinking as I was walking up to the house to lock the door for the last time, I was thinking, wow, I'm so thankful I didn't have a headache today. And it's kind of just now kicking in, but that's fine, because all I have to do is sit. All is well.
We just turned on the radio, and what happens is my phone will start playing whatever was playing last.
It might be my phone
or
connected.
Your phone.
Whichever.
Okay. Well, whatever phone is play, whether it was a YouTube video or a song or whatever, and up popped a Keurig.
Well, because I couldn't figure out, like, it was in the like kind of emergency feeling moments this morning. Like I had just found out that they were like on their way, and so I was like, well, I have to pack the Keurig. Okay, here's the box, let me get this. And like I had the camera going, and I was like, I can't get the Keurig in, like what? You know how they have those like cardboard things? I couldn't figure it out, so I started watching a video didn't help me at all. Anyway, it just started playing.
And we laughed.
P that rhymes with P, that stands for pool.
Folks are the right kind of parents. I'm gonna be perfectly.
I'm gonna try to explain something I don't think I've ever explained this, but on my exercise, this is kind of a long story, but not really, whatever. On the exercise video, the yoga instructor was explaining a certain type of breathing, and the way she described it, I was like, oh, I do that naturally to try not to cough. She describes it as a soft restriction in the back of your throat. And I think she describes it as like an ocean breath, like it sounds like the ocean sort of. And I've noticed this over the last couple of years. I do that just all throughout the day at certain times of the day when my lungs are more prone to coughing. For some reason, when I do that in the back of my throat, it's involuntary. It's like my body does it without me knowing it. It's sort of like when I'm exercising and I naturally do that pursed lip breathing to try not to, or it puts pressure on the airways to try to open the airways up, and my body just naturally does it. But anyway, it's kind of like that. And today I was coughing a bit more and whatever, so I'm sitting here and we were laughing about something and I realized I was doing that restriction in the back of my throat. Yeah, I don't know, it just, my guess is it restricts so that the air doesn't move so fast, which doesn't then trigger a coughing fit. That's my guess. But I've never tried to describe it, and there I go, I described it. I hope that made sense. And I'm really curious for those of you with lung complications for whatever reason. Maybe you were a preemie, or maybe you have asthma, or I have no idea, whatever. Do you guys do that? Is that something that you're familiar with? I think if I had read about it somewhere, I'd be like, oh, I don't do that. But it was just after like realizing it, I was like, wait a minute. That's like one of my tactics for trying to cough less, is that restriction in the back of the throat. Who knew? Okay guys, we made it to Maryland.
Wow.
Wow. Peter just said that was, how did you say it? Teamwork. We were just like telling each other like, wow, that was a big day.
That day took a lot of teamwork.
Yeah, so we did it. We're gonna do it again tomorrow, and as always, we'll see you tomorrow. Good night.